Hello everybody, welcome back to the new video session. So on this video session, I'm going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, planning. So one of the important chapter for your exam point of view. So here I'm going to deal only the learning objective of this chapter, the introduction part to the planning, and the concept of planning and how it is adopting in the business. Learning objectives. State the meaning of planning. Let us understand the meaning of the planning. So it will describes here the features and importance of planning, and we have to understand how the importance are there, like what are the benefit you will get that planning. So same thing, a concept will be having a drawbacks, that is limitations of planning. Analyzing the steps in the planning process. For everything you have to go in a flow. So that one by one step we have to understand. Next comes that is identity, the different types of plans. So here we are going to understand the different types of the plans. Introduction. All business firms would like to be successful, increase their sales and earn the profits. So every business wants to be the successful, and also they want to increase their sales and profit. All managers dream of these and strive to achieve these goals. So for that reason, what they have to do to turn these dreams into reality, managers need to work hard in thinking about the future, in making the business predictions and achieving the targets. So dreams can be turned into reality only if the business manager thinks in advance on what to do and how to do it. This is essence of planning. So here every business will be having a dream. So that dream must be come into the reality. So for that reason, all managers has to club these all dream or thinkings in a one segment where it has to be achieved that. For achieving that, they have to think in advance that what to do and how to do it. So after that, they can achieve the particular goal of the organization. So this is an essence for the planning. The concept of planning. So planning is deciding in advance what to do and how to do. So this is also called it as a meaning of planning, and it is one of the basic managerial function. So management functions we have understood in the first chapter: planning, organizing, directing, staffing and controlling. So the first base for the each and every functions of the management is planning, where we need to set the objectives. Later we have to achieve those objectives to success in the business. Before doing something, the manager must formulate an idea of how to work on a particular task. So for that reason, the manager has to keep in mind the planning is totally connected or closely connected with a creativity and innovation. So here, once the standards are set in the organizations in a planning process, they have to think about the creativity and innovation. So that particular task has to achieve it in a with the include of these two concept, that is creativity must be incurred and that must be innovated. So in that manner they have to achieve their particular task in the organization. Planning thus involves setting objectives and developing appropriate course of action to achieve these objectives. So basically the planning includes of setting the objectives for the organizational goal to achieve that, and also develop a appropriate course of action, that the method how to achieve the that particular goal or objectives, they have to develop that one. So all members therefore need to work towards the achieving the organizational goal. So here includes of members like managers and the lower level workers and also the top management. So they have to set the goal for the organization and they have to achieve that particular goal of the organization unitedly. So these goals set the targets which includes that which need to be achieved and against which the actual performance is measured. So the target whatever set by the organization, that has to be measured with the actual performance. One will get a actual performance when the workers and the other middle level workers are working that particular task, you will get a actual performance. So that actual performance has to be compared with the standard what you have set in the objectives. So one of the important set that one of the important target has been set by the under the planning process. So for that reason the planning concept is very important in the organization to achieve the particular goal of the organization. So therefore planning means setting the objectives and target and formulating an action plans to achieve them. So here planning means like in general it will set the objectives and it will help you to formulate an action plans to achieve that particular goal of the organization. So it is concerns with the both ends and the means, that is what is to be done and how it is to be done. So here it is includes of both ends, that is what is to be done in a next, and also how it is to be done, that is what are the methods to be followed. So everything will be estimated under the planning. So the planning functions of management involves a decision making. So here one of the important sentence that planning function includes of all kinds of the decision making. So planning is not only the end process, it is includes of so many steps and it will be still continue till the organization's winding up. So planning function of the management involves all the kinds of the decision making, and it has to be decided well before take moving further or taking the action on the plans. It has to decide what kind of the methods and procedures to be followed to achieve the organizational goal. So this is a small concept which I was dealt. So if you have any doubts related to this, you can ask me the doubts. Okay, thank you.